Topic: Internet brings more harm than good. According to the Longman Dictionary of Contemporary English in 2001, Internet means a computer system referring to a specific global system of interconnected networks that allows sharing of information. Harm. Harm means inflicting physical, mental, or moral injury. Get this, how can computers talking to each other possibly harm you? The Internet is one thing that humans ever created that allows information to flow through the whole world. Internet serves mankind all it needs to know through communication to each other via computers. Internet is just a mere network, a network of networks. Today, the Internet serves as a global data communication system that links millions of networks. It is designed and developed in the late 1960s by the United States Defense Department for sharing research data among computers. Internet, interconnected networks. I believe that the Internet hasn't done harm than good. It is the people who abuse it inflicts harm to themselves. It is not the Internet who's supposed to utilize us. It's the other way around. Topic number 2. Cell phones must be banned in classrooms for students. Responder: no. Cell phones should not be banned from students' possessions entirely. It's not just about safety or reassurance. They give students a chance to collaborate or connect a lot better with each other. Cell phones can be used for high-tech alternatives to boring classroom lectures, letting us take part in interactive discussions. They can serve as notepads or as a reminder for an activity. They can be recording devices, letting us record moments of our learning experiences. Like everything else, moderation is just what it takes. Students are sent to school to learn things, and discipline is certainly one of them. Cell phones should not be banned in classrooms. It is just a petty idea that tries to impose rather than instill traits that the students should eventually learn by themselves. Classrooms should establish an environment that would influence a student to have a sense of responsibility and discipline. Therefore, cell phones should not be banned in classrooms.